शक्ति के भंडार तुम,
नवयुग के निर्माता, मानवता के अवतार तुम।
हे अद्विता ब्रह्मा बाबा, शत शत नमन हमारा।
हे अद्विता ब्रह्मा बाबा, शत शत नमन हमारा, शत शत नमन हमारा।
तूफानों को तोहफा समझ हंसते हंसाते पार किया, दानव रूपी मानव को ज्ञान योग से मार दिया।
ब्रह्मा कुमारी नाम देकर इतना ऊंचा मान दिया, मीठे मीठे बच्चे कहकर हमको इतना प्यार दिया।
वंदे मातरम कहकर तूने नारी को सम्मान दिया। हे पुरुषोत्तम ब्रह्मा बाबा, शत शत नमन हमारा।
हे परम पिता शिव बाबा, शत शत नमन हमारा, शत शत नमन हमारा। ब्रह्मा बाबा के तन में शिव बाबा समा गए, बिंदु बन के ज्ञान दाता।
प्रभु के रंग में रंग डाला, अपना तन मन सारा, सेवा का साधन बन गया फरिश्ता रूप तुम्हारा।
18 जनवरी को पूरे किए 18 अध्याय गीता का, विदाई लेकर फिर बच्चों से बाबा वतन पधारा। हे अद्विता ब्रह्मा बाबा, शत शत नमन हमारा। हे पुरुषोत्तम ब्रह्मा बाबा, शत शत नमन हमारा। हे परम पिता शिव बाबा, शत शत नमन हमारा, शत शत नमन हमारा।
सवार दिया
Om Shanti, Sister Jayanti. Om Shanti to everyone.
Om Shanti.
Welcome to everyone. So just a couple of quick stories of Brahma Baba. So once some clothes had fallen from the clothesline, and so Baba asked Vidya Didi to go and pick up those clothes. To which Vidya Didi promptly replied, well, they are not my clothes. So then Baba retorted and Baba said, what do you mean they are not yours? Where does everyone get their clothes from? They get them from the yajna. And so there is no question of yours or mine. And also Baba explained that if the clothes had fallen, then they have to be washed again, and then there's expense of soap and water and all of that. So this is also how Baba taught us to save the expenses of the yajna, and also for us to see the bigger picture, and also to take care of other people's things, because that also affects us. And then I thought it's apt to maybe share a story of Dadi Janki, because we're also close to her. So actually what had happened once is Dadi had gone in front of Baba and she had many questions. But as she got to Baba and then Baba started talking,
दादी जब बाबा के पास गई और
all her questions got
दादी को
answered.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे, और जैसे वो
So
बाबा के
then
सामने
Baba
गई तो
asked
उनके
Janak,
सभी
do you
प्रश्नों का
have
उत्तर मिल
any
गया।
questions?
तो बाबा ने कहा आपके पास कोई
And
प्रश्न लेकर के आई
Dadi
हूँ।
said, no, Baba, you've answered them all.
दादी ने कहा नहीं बाबा, आपने सब
So then Baba
जवाब पहले से ही
said,
दे दिया। तो
okay,
बाबा ने कहा
may
अच्छा,
this be a blessing to
ये
you,
आपके लिए एक वरदान
whoever
हो
comes
जाए
in front of you,
कि जो भी
that
आपके
their
सामने आए
questions also
तो
get
उनके
answered.
प्रश्न भी अपने आप उनका
And I
जवाब
think
मिल
we
जाए।
all directly experienced a lot of
और
that.
हमने सब ने
So
उनका
one little
अनुभव किए,
action, and then it becomes a blessing for
और एक
life.
छोटा सा जो कर्म
Found
था
that
वो
really interesting.
दुआ बन गई, वरदान बन
So
गया
thank you,
जीवन भर
Sister
के लिए।
Jyoti. Over to you. Look forward.
जयंती बहन, आपके लिए, आपके
Om Shanti to everyone, and thank you,
ओम
Aruna
शांति
Ben, for those
सभी को।
lovely stories.
अरुणा बहन, बहुत
The
बहुत
song was
धन्यवाद इस
also
कहानी
about
के लिए।
18th January, and Shiv
ये
Baba
जो गीत
coming
था ये भी
before
18
the
जनवरी के
Brahma
निमित्त है,
Baba
शिव
and
बाबा के
making us
निमित्त,
belong to him.
कि ब्रह्मा बाबा ने
And
जिसने
so
हमें
I
अपना
think in
बनाया,
all
ब्रह्मा
centers
बाबा
in
के
the
द्वारा,
world there must have been an
तो सभी
atmosphere of
सेंटर्स पर
yoga
एक
being
ऐसा
built up
वायुमंडल
for the
होगा योग का,
18th. I
ताकि
was
हम
certainly
तैयारी करें
sitting
18
happy
जनवरी की।
here. We hadn't anticipated that so many people would
हमने ये
join
सोचा नहीं था
morning
कि इतने
meditation
सभी
from 9 to 11 and then again from 7 to 8 in the evening.
कि
But
इतने
we've
सभी लोग
had
ज्वाइन करेंगे मेडिटेशन के
a
लिए
lot of
सुबह से,
people, like around 80
पर
people in the morning, 9 to
80 लोग
11.
ज्वाइन
How
करते हैं,
people manage their
80
homes and everything
सुबह
else,
और
I'm not
90
sure,
रात
but
में।
they are.
पता नहीं कि
But
कैसे
they're
रात
really
में
keen.
ज्वाइन
We planned
करते
it
हैं।
only for 5-6 days, or maybe it was a week.
एक
And then
सप्ताह से वो
because
चला,
there was so much interest, it got extended.
पर
So
वो
I'm
इतना
seeing that,
उसमें इंटरेस्ट
especially in
था,
the month of
इतना रुझान था
January,
कि वो बढ़ गया
all the
आगे।
Brahmins really
तो
have
सभी
that
ब्राह्मण
special attention on yoga and are very
विशेष ध्यान
interested to
देंगे
be
योग
able
पे,
to move their forward yoga
ताकि
in
उनके
this month of blessings.
इस
I
अव्यक्ति मास
know
में,
as
वरदानी मास
my
में उनका
experience
पुरुषार्थ
tells me
आगे बढ़े।
that
और मेरे
whatever
अनुभव के
determined
अनुसार
thought you have
कि जो भी
during
आप
the
दृढ़
month of
संकल्प
January,
करते हैं जनवरी
your
मास में
personal
विशेष
progress or
अपने
for
विशेष
service,
निजी पुरुषार्थ के लिए या
somehow
सेवा,
magic works and it gets
तो एक जादू
fulfilled.
होता है
And so I'm
और
sure
वो अपने
that
आप
you'll also
पूर्ण
find
हो
that.
जाता है। और आप ये भी अनुभव
So
करेंगे
in yesterday's, no,
कि
today's Wednesday, so Sunday,
अ,
in
जो
Sunday's Murli,
संडे की
Baba was very much
अवैध
talking
मुरली में
about
बाबा
all
ने
the
कहा था
treasures
सभी
and
खजानों के
seeing the
बारे में,
children who have
और
filled themselves with all
बच्चों
the
को देखा जो
treasures.
जिन्होंने अपने अंदर
And so
सर्व
one was a
खजाने
treasure of
भरे हैं।
Gyan,
तो एक है
the
ज्ञान का
second was
खजाना,
a treasure of
दूसरा
yoga
है
power and all the
योग
powers you
पावर
get
की
through
शक्ति का
yoga. And the third was a
खजाना,
blessing of
और तीसरा
the
था
divine virtues.
वरदान दैवी
And
गुणों
so
के,
Gyan, Yoga, Dharana
ज्ञान
subjects get
योग
covered.
धारणा सारे
And then the
सब्जेक्ट
fourth
उनमें आ गए।
blessing was blessings from
और
Baba
चौथा जो
and
वरदान
also
था वो
from the
था
family. And so these treasures of 4 different types coming from the 4 subjects for each one of us. And Baba said,
तो
if truly you're full of all these treasures,
अगर बाबा ने कहा अगर
what
सच
would
में
your
आप इन
face be
सभी
like?
खजानों से संपन्न है तो
Surely
आपका
your
चेहरा कैसा
face
होना
would
चाहिए? तो आपका
register
चेहरा
the huge happiness you're
एक
feeling inside.
खुशी जो
Because if somebody has a little bit of treasure, they feel
बहुत महान
happy.
खुशी है आपके
Imagine
अंदर भरी
all
हुई।
these 4 treasures,
तो आप सोचें कि
and
सभी,
Baba gives them to us. And so, of course, we feel blessed, but we also show this through the happiness on our faces, in our eyes. And truly, if you look around the
तो
world,
हमारे चेहरे से, हमारी दृष्टि से
your
वो नजर आए,
city, your village even,
अपने शहर
all
में,
the
अपने
different
इलाके
faces of
में
the people there.
आप
When you
देखें
walk
सभी
past
के
them,
अलग
when
अलग
you're in the
चेहरे
bus or
देखें।
train,
जब
or
आप
even in the
बस में
car,
जाते हैं या
the
ट्रेन में
people
जाते हैं,
beside
कार पे
you,
जाते
and
हैं,
so on,
जो भी जिन भी लोगों को आप
you
देख,
won't find real happiness in their faces.
तो सच्ची
They may
खुशी
have
उनके
a
चेहरे
lot
पर नहीं
doing
होती।
for them in
हो
terms
सकता
of
है
position
उनके
or
पद बहुत ऊंचा
property
हो,
or
उनका पास
physical
धन बहुत
wealth. They
हो,
may have all of that,
सब कुछ हो
but
सकता है
they
बाहर
won't
की
have
रीति
that
से, परंतु
sparkle of
वो
happiness
जो खुशी की
like
झलक है उन
Baba
पर
and
नहीं होगी,
Mama or the
जैसे
Dadis
बाबा और
have.
मम्मा की थी या दादियों
And so
के
what's
चेहरे पर थी।
going on? They have perishable wealth, perishable
उनके
property,
पास
etc., etc.
विनाशी धन
But
है,
Baba's children have
परंतु बाबा के बच्चों
imperishable
के
wealth
पास अविनाशी
that
धन
comes
है,
from the imperishable Father.
जो अविनाशी पिता
And we
द्वारा
know
आता
that
है,
it's going to last us for half the
और
cycle
वो हमारे
and a
साथ
bit
चलता है
longer.
आधे कल्प के लिए।
And so Baba's children are the ones
और तो बाबा
who
के
are
बच्चे
the
ऐसे हैं
instruments to give happiness to absolutely everyone else. So can I check myself
वो
and
दूसरों
see,
को खुशी देने के निमित्त हैं जो।
is the
तो क्या हम
thermometer
चेक कर
of my
सकते हैं
happiness
कि मेरा
high,
जो खुशी का
or
पारा
does it
है
fluctuate?
कि वो स्थायी
How
है या
much
ऊपर
of my
नीचे होता है,
happiness am I able to share with
और
others?
कितना मैं खुशी औरों से
Am I able to
साझा
give
कर
others
पाती हूँ,
even a few drops?
क्या मैं अंजलि दे
Baba
पाती
gave the
हूँ।
example of somebody who's very thirsty,
बाबा ने
parched,
मिसाल दिया कि
and
बहुत
even if
कोई
they get a
प्यासा
few
हो
drops of
और अगर
water,
उसको
they're
कुछ
very, very
बूंद ही
happy
मिल
with
जाए
that.
खुशी की तो
And
बहुत
so,
खुश
can I
आ जाएगा।
experience that stage
तो क्या मैं
of
उस
being
स्थिति का
so
अनुभव
full
कर
of
सकती हूँ
treasures that my happiness is really high,
कि
and
मेरे
I'm
मैं
sharing
इतनी
that
खुशी में भरी
happiness
रहूं
with others through a
और मैं
smile,
दूसरों से भी
through
बांट सकूं
eyes,
अपने
even just a few drops
मुस्कुराहट
of
द्वारा, अपनी
happiness,
दृष्टि द्वारा,
so that they
कुछ अंजलि
feel
ही
a
उनको
little
दूं ताकि
content,
उनको
at least in my presence,
तृप्ति की
their
अनुभूति हो
waves of sorrow should finish.
और उनके जो
And then,
दुख है वो
yes, if
समाप्त
they
हो जाए
study and
और वो
follow
स्थायी
Gyan
होनी
further,
चाहिए।
then
अगर
their
अगर वो
happiness
स्थायी
will
खुशी
be
चाहते हैं तो वो
imperishable
ज्ञान में
also.
आकर के उसको
But at least at the
स्थायी कर
moment,
सकते हैं।
coming into contact with
परंतु हमारे
these
संपर्क
yogi
में
children and family,
योगी बच्चों के
it
संपर्क
really
में आने से
means that
ही
they should carry away
उनको
even a few drops,
कुछ ना
if
कुछ
not
अंजलि
more,
मिले
of
खुशी की,
happiness.
अगर बहुत ज्यादा नहीं भी तो।
And then Baba spoke
और
about,
फिर बाबा ने कहा
have you been able to check yourself?
कि क्या आपने अपने आप को चेक किया है?
Is the level of your happiness
क्या
constant,
जो
consistent?
स्थिति है खुशी की वो
Nowadays, they
स्थायी
have
है,
many
सदा है?
different instruments to check everything.
तो आजकल
Science has
के
created so
साधन
much
साइंस के
technology
साधनों द्वारा हम हर
that
चीज
you
को
can check
चेक कर सकते हैं।
absolutely everything. And so, do
तो
you
बाबा
have
ने कहा कि क्या आपके
ways,
पास ऐसा
means of
साधन है
checking your own
कि
inner
अपनी
state
खुद
of
की
happiness?
आंतरिक स्थिति जो है
If you're
खुशी
the
की
child of the
चेक कर सके?
imperishable Father,
अगर आप
your
अविनाशी पिता की
happiness is
संतान है तो
imperishable.
आपकी
And
खुशी भी
so, what
अविनाशी
happens
है।
to you?
तो होता
You
क्या है?
forget it, you
आप
let
भूल
go
जाते
of
हो,
it.
आप
What
उसको छोड़
happens?
देते हो, होता क्या है?
And so now,
तो
to have that aim
उस
of keeping a
उस
constant,
उद्देश्य को, उस
stable
लक्ष्य को
stage
रखना
of
कि
happiness in my
हमारी
mind.
स्थायी खुशी रहे, सदा
So
की रहे।
Baba took up the theme of stability
तो बाबा ने जो
and
स्थायी, जो
concentration.
सदा का है और
In
अटेंशन का
the
है, बाबा ने उन दोनों
stability,
सब्जेक्ट को उठाया।
ekagar,
तो
एक,
बाबा ने
stable
एकाग्रता
mind,
को का
and
सब्जेक्ट
then
लिया।
ekagarta, concentration, focus.
तो बाबा ने
The
एकाग्रता,
words are
अटेंशन।
totally similar. And so, can I practice my own inner
तो क्या
state
मैं
of
अभ्यास कर सकती
stability?
हूँ अपने आंतरिक
Am
स्थिति
I able to keep my mind
स्थायी जो है?
where I
क्या मैं अपने
want
मन
it
को
to be
एकाग्र कर सकती
for
हूँ?
however long I
अपने
want
मन
it to
को
be there?
जहाँ ले जाना चाहूँ, जितना
And
समय ले
then
जाना
move
चाहूँ,
it in a
वहाँ
different
कर सकती
direction
हूँ
as and when I
और उस
choose?
दिशा में ले जा सकती हूँ
Or
जो मैं
is it that
जहाँ मैं ले जाना चाहूँ।
sometimes I'm
या
in
कभी
charge of
कभी
my
ऐसा होता है
mind,
कि कभी मैं मन का
and
मालिक
guess what?
और कभी
At other times, the mind has taken
मन
over and my mind is controlling me.
हमें कंट्रोल
I
करने
am not
लगता
the
है
controller of my mind, but my mind is
और
controlling me.
मेरा मन मेरे को
When
कंट्रोल
I
करने लगता है।
understand
तो जब मैं
the
समझती
difference in
हूँ
these things,
इन दोनों के
then
अंतर को,
yes, I'm going to
तब
check and practice
मैं चेक
and
करती हूँ और
definitely I
अभ्यास
would
करने
say
लगती
that
हूँ। और
as
सच में
Baba
मुझे लगता है,
said, he
जैसे
watched
बाबा ने
us
कहा कि
and he
उन्होंने
said
देखा
that
हमें
I did
और
not
बाबा ने
see
कहा
many
कि
stable minds.
मैंने बहुत
Most
सारे
of you were
स्थायी
engaged
एकाग्र
either in service
मन नहीं देखे।
or you were engaged in
बहुत
wasteful
सारों की मन
things.
बुद्धि इधर
And then
उधर
Baba
भटकती
didn't
रही
list them,
या
you
व्यर्थ
can imagine.
व्यर्थ में
So even in
जाती
those
रही
days,
मन बुद्धि। तो
just
उस
imagine the
समय पर
state
भी
of stability
आप
of the
देखिए
mind.
वो जो स्थिति
And
थी मन
today, when
की।
there are
और
so
आज
many,
जब
many
इतने
distractions,
सारे बहुत सारे
at that time
प्रलोभन
they
हैं,
worked
आकर्षण
hard
हैं,
to create
उस
that
समय
stable
उन्होंने
stage
बहुत
through
परिश्रम
hours
किया,
and hours of
घंटों
silent
घंटों का
meditation.
साइलेंस का,
We
मेडिटेशन
don't
का,
have
योग
the
का,
opportunity for
ताकि वो
hours
स्थायी
and hours,
मन
but
हो
what we
सके।
can
परंतु
do
आजकल हमारे पास
is
इतने
in the
घंटे तो नहीं
time
है,
that we've
परंतु
allocated
जितना भी
for
समय
remembrance,
हमारा
morning
योग का है,
hours,
सुबह
and then
का
traffic control
या ट्रैफिक
time,
कंट्रोल का,
let me use these fixed timings that are
तो ये जो
part of my
फिक्स्ड समय है,
routine anyway
निर्धारित समय है,
to
ये
create
हमारे
that
दिनचर्या में,
stable stage
उसको हम
so
अपनी
that my
स्थिति,
mind
स्थायी
stays
स्थिति है
where I
मन की,
ask it to stay
एकाग्रता
instead
की,
of
उसको
going
हम
off
बना
somewhere
सके।
else.
जहां पर
And so Baba also
एकाग्र
mentioned
मन को
how
जाने की बजाय हम उसको लगा
if you
सके।
don't have a
तो बाबा ने
stable
ये भी कहा
mind,
कि अगर आपके पास
then you
स्थायी
find yourself in a
एकाग्र मन
situation
नहीं
where
है, तो एक ऐसी
you say
परिस्थिति में आप
something,
अपने को
you
देख
do
सकते हैं
something,
कि आप
and then you
कहेंगे
say,
कुछ,
well, I
आप
didn't really
करेंगे
mean it.
कुछ, लेकिन आप
It
कहेंगे
isn't
कि
what
मैं,
I
मेरा ये
was
मतलब नहीं
thinking.
था,
I don't
मेरी
know how
चाहती
this
नहीं थी,
happened.
मुझे नहीं पता ये
Or
कैसे हो
I
गया,
wasn't planning to
या
say
फिर
this, but
मैं
the
ऐसा
words
बोलना नहीं
just
चाहती।
jumped out. I don't know why.
ऐसे ही मुख से
Well,
शब्द निकल गए,
obviously, it's there in my heart. This
तो
is why
सच
it's
में मेरे
dropping
मन के
out.
अंदर है, तभी तो वो
But of
बाहर आ रहे
course,
हैं
it
ना।
damages the whole
और
atmosphere of
सारे वातावरण को वो
relationships.
खराब करते हैं और
And as a
संबंधों को
great
खराब
king,
करते हैं।
and within the Brahmin family,
और ब्राह्मण परिवार
there
में
are
भी
precious few jewels in the
हम
garland around Baba's neck.
हम बाबा
And
के गले
if
के हार हैं।
I get upset because I'm not set on my stable
और हम
seat,
अपसेट हो जाते हैं क्योंकि हम
then
अपनी सीट पर
the
सेट नहीं
loss of a
होते।
Brahmin is a huge loss
और
for
वो
any
जो हमारा
center.
नुकसान होता है
It's a
ब्राह्मण का, वो
great
बहुत
loss
बड़ा
for the one
नुकसान
who's
होता है।
decided I can't carry on. But also when
तो
the vacancy they've left, where do you find others to fill that vacancy? Even if it just means the
आप
place where
देख
they've
सकते
sat in
हैं
class on
कि कहाँ है।
that chair is going to be vacant for a long time. But Baba's saying that be the ruler of your mind. Don't let yourself get upset over anything.
तो
Don't let
मैंने
the
कहा
mind
मन
make you
के
do
राजा
things
बनो,
that
तो
you know
मन
you
आपको ना
didn't want
चलाए।
to do
तो
or
ये
you
कुछ नहीं
shouldn't have
करो,
done.
ये जो
That's what the
आप
mind
नहीं
tries to
चाहते।
do. The mind tries
मन
to
तो कराना
control
चाहता
me
है कि वो हम
rather
मन
than
हमें
me
कंट्रोल
being
करे,
able to control the
बजाय
mind.
कि मैं अपने मन को
But the
कंट्रोल
way
करूं।
to attain the
पर
angelic
इसका तरीका
stage
है अंजलिक
is through
जो फरिश्ता स्थिति
stability,
को पाने
leading
का,
to
वो है
focus
एकाग्रता।
and concentration,
और ताकि
and
हम उस
then I can
एकाग्रता की स्थिति
attain
में
the
टिक
angelic
सकें
stage.
और ताकि हम
Without these
फरिश्ता स्थिति को
first
पा
two
सकें।
being put in place,
तो ये जो
the
पहले दो
angelic
हैं,
stage is very, very far away.
तो जो
And
फरिश्ता
so
स्थिति
this
है वो
is
बहुत
why
बहुत
they
दूर
say
है।
if you conquer your mind,
इसीलिए
you
कहते
conquer
हैं
the
कि अगर
world,
आप
you become the
अपने
masters of the
मन
world.
को जीत सकते हैं
And so Baba
तो आप
described in a lot of
दुनिया को जीत
detail
सकते हैं। तो बाबा ने
about
बहुत
how
गहराई से बताया
with
कि
focus and
कैसे
concentration, you're
आप
able to
एकाग्रता से,
remove all obstacles. It's true, because the power that you get will show you what you need to do in those obstacles. Do I need to have sweetness and humility?
तो
Do I
क्या
need to have
हमारे
the
अंदर
ability to
मधुरता होनी
face up to a
चाहिए
situation? Do I just
और
have to
नम्रता
merge
होनी
it
चाहिए?
and keep moving forward?
क्या हम उन सब चीजों को मर्ज
The
करके आगे
power
बढ़ते
of
रहें?
concentration
तो जो
will
एकाग्रता की
show
शक्ति
me
है,
the way to finish the obstacle
तो वो हमें
and
रास्ता
jump over
दिखाएगी कि हम
it or
अपने विघ्नों को
ignore it
समाप्त
or
कर दें।
skirt around it. It's
एकाग्रता
that
की शक्ति
power
से,
that will
ये
tell
वो
me.
शक्ति है जो हमें
It'll
बताएगी,
bring me much closer to Baba
तो हमें
because
बाबा
I'm
के
focused
नजदीक
on
लेके
one.
जाएगी,
My
क्योंकि मैं
relationships are with one.
एक पर
And so
केंद्रित
I'm
हूँ, क्योंकि
very,
मेरे
very
सर
close
संबंध
to
एक से
Baba.
हैं।
And then
और फिर
it's the stage that will enable me to attain
वो
my
स्थिति
angelic stage
मेरी
also.
फरिश्ता स्थिति पाने में
Because through
मददगार
that
बनेगी।
concentration capacity, I'll be able to be detached here and fly up above.
तो
And
वो
so
स्थिति हमें
Baba then
डिटैच रखेगी और
described
हम
Brahma
ऊपर उड़
Baba
सकते हैं। तो
and how
ब्रह्मा
not
बाबा ने
just the
बताया कि
last
कैसे
few
ब्रह्मा बाबा
weeks
ने
or months,
आखिरी के
but
कुछ समय में,
certainly the last few years, we saw Baba on the one hand very loving and yet also very detached. We saw Baba here with us, but also Baba in a different dimension, the Avyakt dimension, the dimension beyond sound. We saw Baba engaged and fulfilling all the responsibilities on this level, but none of that was touching his stage. His stage was up above. And so Baba saying, can you experience that for yourself also? So that others who see you, like with Baba, they just saw the light form of Baba. As I walk, as I move, as I sit and do what I need to do, if I'm focused and concentrated on Baba, Baba said, be incorporeal like me and be the subtle angel
और
like
बाबा ने कहा
the Brahma.
कि आप
And
एक
so we
सूक्ष्म
have
फरिश्ता बन
both
जाओ ब्रह्मा बाबा की तरह।
opportunities. Yes, let me be that point of light
तो
just in my
मैं भी
home
वो
with
एक
God.
ज्योति बिंदु बन
But
जाऊं
also let me take
जैसे
on
मेरे
the
बाबा हैं,
costume of light
और मैं
and
अपने
be
लाइट
like
का
Brahma
शरीर
Baba,
धारण
my
करके
angelic parent.
ब्रह्मा बाबा से मिले
And
जो
so
मेरा
Baba saying that you have love for
फरिश्ता
Father
पिता है।
Brahma,
और तो बाबा ने
surely
कहा
you want to become like
कि
him.
अगर आपका
And
प्यार
so
है
this
ब्रह्मा
is how
बाबा
you
से तो
do.
आप भी जो प्यारा है
Baba
वैसा
mentioned
बनेंगे, वो आप
three
समान
specific
बनेंगे। तो
qualities
बाबा ने तीन
of
विशेषताएं
the
भी
angelic
गिनवाई
stage:
उस अव्यक्त फरिश्ता स्थिति की।
love and
स्नेह,
benevolence, and
कल्याणकारी
also respect.
और सम्मान।
And when I have
और
love in my heart,
जब मेरे अंदर
and there's
स्नेह है
nothing but good wishes to
और कुछ भी
uplift
नहीं है,
others.
सिर्फ शुभ कामना
Benevolence
है,
is
शुभ
not
भावना
just
है
being
औरों को
kind,
ऊपर उठाने की,
but benevolence is
न
when
सिर्फ
I'm able to
कल्याणकारी
uplift
औरों के प्रति
another.
रहम है, परंतु
And so that
ऊपर उठाने
stage
की
in
स्थिति
which
है।
I have such good wishes
और
for all,
ऐसी स्थिति
that I'm
जिसके अंदर
able
मेरे
to
अंदर
help them
शुभ
be
भावना, शुभ
uplifted,
कामना है सभी के
and
प्रति,
regard
ताकि
for
उनको ऊपर
everyone.
उठे, और
An
सम्मान
angel
एक
does
के
not
प्रति।
discriminate,
और
but
अव्यक्त
an angel
फरिश्ता कभी
sees
भी
everyone with that
एक
love
दूसरे में
and
अंतर नहीं
beauty.
रखेगा।
And then Baba mentioned very interesting comment
बाबा ने बहुत सुंदर
that
कमेंट बोला
stability
कि स्थिरता,
comes when there is stability. With stability comes self-respect.
स्थिरता के साथ
And
सम्मान भी
there's
आता है।
just one sentence there, but
और एक
definitely it's worth pondering over and
एकाग्रता
reflecting
के साथ
how,
सम्मान भी आता है।
if my mind isn't
तो अगर
stable,
मेरा मन एकाग्र
I'm never
नहीं है,
going to have self-respect. But when
मैं
I've
कभी
made
भी
my mind
सम्मान में नहीं रह
stable so
सकती।
that it's
अगर मेरा
not
मन
wandering around
एकाग्र है,
here and
इधर
there,
उधर नहीं चंचल
not
रहा,
allowing the mind to take
भटक
over
नहीं रहा,
and rule
कभी
over
भी
me
मन
and do things I
अपनी
know I
मर्जी
shouldn't
नहीं
be
कर
doing.
रहा,
So that stage of
तो वो
self-respect
स्थिति
comes
जो है
when
सम्मान की
I've
वो तब आती
attained
है।
stability.
तो तब मैं
And then,
स्थिरता को
yes,
पाती हूँ,
respect for everyone.
जिसके अंदर
And then,
सम्मान सभी के
yes, I
प्रति।
can move to my angelic
और
stage,
तब मैं अपनी
because that
अव्यक्ति
stability
फरिश्ता स्थिति की
allows
ओर
me
जा
to
सकती हूँ,
concentrate.
क्योंकि वो
If I'm
स्थिति
not
मुझे
even stable,
एकाग्र बनने में मदद
Atmanabhag,
करेगी।
if my mind isn't
अगर
stable
मेरा
with that
मन स्थिर
awareness,
नहीं है,
how
एकाग्र
can I
नहीं है, मन
concentrate?
मनाभाव की स्थिति में
And
नहीं
so
है,
not to let
तो
the
हम
mind
स्थायी
go
कैसे रह
wandering
सकते हैं?
off here and there,
तो मन इधर
but
उधर
to
ना भटके,
really attain stability and
स्थिरता
concentrate,
के साथ
and through that,
और उस
yes, you
स्थिति के
can
साथ
be the angel.
हम
And
फरिश्ता बन
then
सकें। और फिर
Baba switched topics,
बाबा ने
because
दूसरे
it
विषय को
seems
पकड़ा,
that Delhi and Calcutta were about to have big mega events.
क्योंकि दिल्ली और
When
कलकत्ता
Dadiji
में बड़े
first
बड़े
introduced the
मेगा
idea
प्रोग्राम होने
of
वाले
the
थे।
event in
तो
2003, at
2003
that
में,
time she said,
2003
is
में
it
दादी ने कहा
possible to
था
gather a
कि क्या हो
gathering of
सकता है
100,000 people? And of course, she had such capacity,
कि
such inspiration that
1 लाख
everybody says, yes,
व्यक्ति आ
we
जाएं।
can do it. And you heard the story of Ahmedabad being the
और
first to
उनका वो
take it on in
निश्चय था,
Mumbai,
तो सभी को
and then of
उमंग
course
आता था
followed
कि हम
with
कर
big
सकते हैं।
cities. But it seems that by now Delhi and Calcutta were ready.
तो
And
दिल्ली और
Baba
कलकत्ता में
mentioned how
विशेष
when he was giving
ये
blessings for
तैयार था,
Calcutta,
ये
so
कार्यक्रम।
that then there would be success is guaranteed.
तो
Then
सफलता
there's
फिर होती
at
जाए।
least three other
और
words.
बाबा ने कहा सफलता तो फिर
Baba
जन्नत
said,
का अधिकार है।
when there's cooperation
बाबा ने कहा जहाँ
and
सहयोग
love
है और
and
स्नेह है
courage.
और
Interesting, because
और
cooperation, yes,
हिम्मत है,
if through stability
तो
and being set in my
एकाग्रता से
seat
और अपनी
of
सीट पर सेट होने
self-respect,
से,
I've
सम्मान
given
पर
respect to
सेट होने
others,
से मैं
then
दूसरों को भी
as a
सम्मान दे
result of
सकती हूँ।
giving respect, as a result of investing in relationships,
तो
cooperation is
एकाग्रता
going
की
to
सीट
come
पर सेट होने
naturally
से
and easily. If I
जो
haven't invested in
सहयोग है वो
relationships,
सहज आता है।
then that connection is just isn't there. And so why should anybody even have the thought of cooperating with me?
तो अगर
But
मेरी
when
मन ही
I've
एकाग्र नहीं है तो
invested in
कोई और मेरे साथ क्यों
relationships and I've
सहयोग
given
करेगा?
respect, then
लेकिन अगर हमने संबंध में
cooperation is
समय
going to
लगाया
come
है
naturally. And
और
of course, what keeps us together
एकाग्र
is
मन
the
है, तो
thread
फिर
of
सहयोग अपने आप आता है
relationship
नेचुरली।
of love. And
तो
so
हमारा
Baba
एक वो
talking about
नेचुरल जो
love.
संबंध है
But
स्नेह
then the
का बढ़
third
जाता
word,
है।
courage.
तो बाबा ने फिर हिम्मत की भी बात
If
की।
you want to do a little thing,
तो बाबा ने कहा
fine,
अगर आप
it's
थोड़ा
easy.
करना चाहते हैं
And maybe doing the little things will give you confidence. and bring you to the point where now it's not just a little thing, but now it's a big thing. And it takes a lot of courage to say yes to something that's going to be big. But you know there's cooperation, you know there's love, and you know that if it's altruistic, it's not that I'm doing something because I want to do it for my own glory. I am ready to do something for Baba so that Baba can be revealed,
तो
so
बाबा ने
that
कहा
others
कि
can know Baba and take their fortune from Baba. Maybe peace, maybe love, maybe joy,
तो
maybe
शांति,
harmony,
प्यार,
whatever it
खुशी,
is they're in need of,
जो भी
Baba's
चीज,
able to
जिस भी
give
चीज
them
की उनको
it.
जरूरत है,
That may be an instrument with courage to be able to show them who is God.
तो एक हिम्मत का
And
कदम उनको
so
मिल जाएगा ताकि पता लगे कि
a lovely
परमात्मा
inspiration
कौन है। और
to
बहुत
be
सुंदर
able to take on
प्रेरणा
big
है
things,
कि बड़ी
knowing
चीजों
that
को लेना,
a big
कि
family is there with me,
बड़ा परिवार मेरे
the
साथ है,
relationship of love and respect is
संबंध
there.
है स्नेह और
And so,
सम्मान
yes,
का।
surely,
और
with
हाँ, सब
Baba's
कुछ है,
remembrance and Baba's
बाबा की
power,
याद से,
we
बाबा
can
की
pull it
शक्तियों
off.
से
It can truly happen.
हम सच
So
में इस बात को कर
that was
सकते
very
हैं।
lovely
बहुत
reading
सुंदर था
that.
वो।
And then Baba also had
और
a
फिर बाबा
different angle
के
on the
पास एक
whole
अलग एंगल था।
subject of
पूरा ये जो
the
सब्जेक्ट है,
revelation of God and how
परमात्मा,
Kumbhakarna, the sleeping giant of Bharat, would be
परमात्मा
awoken. And normally we always say that if
की
there's
प्रत्यक्षता का, कि
a
कुंभकर्ण
mic from
जागेंगे।
abroad who
तो बाबा
goes
ने
to
कहा अगर
India
कोई
and
माइक है
delivers God's
बाहर से
message and people believe
जो
him
परमात्मा
and
का
trust
संदेश
him,
दे
then that's going to wake up the
और
Kumbhakarna.
उनको
This time
विश्वास करें,
Baba's
तो वो
answer was a little bit
कुंभकर्णों को
different.
जगाएंगे।
You're doing good things here in India.
तो बाबा ने कहा आप अच्छे
Well,
कर्म
it's
भारत
coming
में
even
भले
on
कर रहे
national
हो,
television. But is it
टेलीविजन पर
possible
भी आता है, परंतु क्या
for
ये मुमकिन है
such an event not only to have coverage in India, but to
कि
create such a sound that
आप
the
ऐसी
sound
एक
reaches
आवाज
abroad
बनाएं कि
and
ये
it
आवाज
gets the
बाहर
headlines
पहुंचे।
in the papers and the media abroad? And if there's something from India that's being
तो अगर कुछ
reported
भारत में
abroad,
है,
the impact of that is on Bharat. Then
तो
people say,
उसका
well, this must be
जो
something very
प्रभाव है वो
spectacular.
भारत में आए।
If the London Times or the New York Times have covered this event, then it must be something really special. And so the sleeping giant of
तो
India
जो कुंभकर्ण
being
है
awoken will happen
भारत के,
through media.
वो
And
मीडिया के
media creating a
आधार से
sound
जगेंगे।
that then
और
comes
मीडिया
back to Bharat again. So
वो
that
ऐसा
was
आवाज बनाए
again
जो
very
भारत में
lovely
वापस
to
आए।
read all that. And then
तो
Baba
बहुत
spoke
वो
to the
दिलचस्प लगी
Kumars
बात।
and the
तो बाबा ने
Kumaris.
कुमार और कुमारियों पर भी बात
Baba was, in his own terms,
बाबा अपने ही
very,
भाषा में कह रहे
very
थे।
official,
बाबा ने बहुत
which
बहुत
means
ऑफिशियल
Baba was
भाषा
pretty serious.
इस्तेमाल की, कि बाबा
It
सच में
wasn't
बहुत
joke, it wasn't light,
बहुत
it was
सीरियस थे।
very deep love,
बाबा ने बहुत
but certainly
गहरे
very
स्नेह के साथ
serious. And Baba was saying
बात
that
की, और बाबा ने कहा
even to have an
कि
impure thought come
एक
in your
अशुद्ध
dreams
संकल्प,
is a
इवन
sin.
स्वप्न मात्र भी आना,
And of course,
ये
think
भी
about
एक
it. If something
अपवित्रता
is
है,
coming up in
एक
my
पाप है।
dreams, surely it would have come up in my thoughts
तो
at
जो
some point and
स्वप्न में आया
changed
वो
my
जरूर संकल्प तक
attitude,
भी
my
आएगा।
vision,
और
my behavior.
हमारी जो
And
स्थिति,
so
हमारा
Baba,
बिहेवियर है,
very
उसको भी
strong.
परिवर्तन करेगा, हमारी जो
You're a
स्वभाव है।
mouth-born child of
तो
Brahma.
बाबा ने कहा आप
You're all
मुख
brothers and
वंशावली हो ब्रह्मा
sisters,
की,
and so
सभी
just keep
भाई और बहनें हो।
remembering this,
तो सिर्फ इस बात
that
को याद
not
रखो।
even in your dreams
और तो
are you
आपके
allowed to
स्वप्न
touch
मात्र भी
or to have dreams about this. No way.
नहीं आना चाहिए।
And if you
और अगर
go over the boundaries, the maryadas that Baba had taught us,
आप
even
मर्यादा की
just
लकीर
a
से
little
बाहर
bit,
जाते हैं थोड़ा बहुत भी,
you cannot excuse yourself and say, oh, well, it was only a
तो
little
आप अपने
tiny
आप को
thing, it
छुड़ा
happened
नहीं
very
सकते
much.
कि
Baba's not seeing it that way.
बाबा इस
Baba's
तरीके से
seeing
नहीं
that
देखते
here
हैं।
you are a
बाबा
Brahmin.
देखते हैं कि यहाँ आप एक
So
ब्राह्मण हैं,
even something little is very big.
तो कुछ
because of
छोटा
the
भी बहुत
promise
बड़ा
we
है,
made to Baba.
क्योंकि जो हमने
And so,
अ,
to make
प्रतिज्ञा
sure
की है
that
बाबा के साथ,
I make my promise to Baba
तो जो
each
हमने
year,
प्रतिज्ञा की है बाबा के साथ,
whatever time of year it is that is touching for me, whether it's 18th January, whether it's
चाहे वो
1st
18
of
जनवरी
January,
है,
or
चाहे
whether
वो
it's
पहला
any other
जनवरी है,
holy day
तो
that I
चाहे
find
कोई अदर
significant for myself, that
छुट्टी
the
का दिन
point
है,
that if I've made a promise,
तो अगर हमने
I
बाबा से
cannot
कोई
go
प्रतिज्ञा
back on
की
it.
है
I have to be able to
और अगर
fulfill
उसको
it.
पूरा नहीं
And
कर
if
पा
I
रहे हैं,
overstep the line,
तो अगर हमने
then I
मर्यादा
can't
की
be
लकीर को पार किया है,
dismissive and say, oh, it's okay, it doesn't really matter. It matters. It matters a great deal. And Baba is then going to become the detached observer.
तो बाबा फिर साक्षी
If
होकर के देखेंगे,
perchance there has been anything that's been done that needs punishment,
तो अगर
Baba
कोई
will
कोई
be
सजा
there.
है
The
तो बाबा तो
punishment
होंगे
will happen.
और
And of
सजा भी
course,
मिलेगी।
it's an internal experience
तो
of
बाबा ने कहा
sorrow and
ये सच में
suffering and
आंतरिक एक
distress.
अनुभूति
It's
होगी,
not somebody physically
दुख की।
beating you up with a belt or
कोई
dunking
ऐसा
your
नहीं कोई
head with
फिजिकली
mortar.
आपको बेल्ट
Nothing
से
like that.
वो करेगा,
But that very sacred moment of saying
परंतु
yes to Baba,
वो बहुत ही
and if I
अ,
break that
जो
moment,
समय
that
है और
promise,
बाबा को हाँ
then
करने का,
there's a lot of conflict that goes on inside.
तो बहुत सी अंदर
And
का
so
वो
Baba's
अंदर
saying,
चलता है।
good, that's how it's going to be.
बाबा ने
Dharamraj
कहा
will
ऐसा
do
ही होगा,
whatever he needs to do to give you that realization
धर्मराज
that can
करेगा वो
help you
करना
settle
चाहता
that
है।
karma. So, a murali of many insights.
तो एक बहुत गहरी मुरली,
But this particular page of the murali,
जो
first
जो
time I've heard Baba be so strict in
तो
his
मैंने पहली बार
description
बाबा को सुना कि वो
why
इतना
it is
धर्मराज का
essential
इतना
that we
गहरा
follow all the
इतना
disciplines and the principles
गहरा
that Baba
रूप
has
बाबा
laid
का,
down
जो
for
सभी
us.
मर्यादाएं धारणाएं बाबा ने
And then
हमारे
again,
प्रति
Baba
रखी
coming
हैं
back
उनको चलने
to
के
the
लिए।
subject of the
फिर
mind, be the
बाबा
ruler of the
वापस
mind, be
एकाग्रता,
the master
मन की
of the
एकाग्रता
mind,
पर आए,
so that you're able
ताकि
to
हम मन के मालिक बन
maintain your
सकें,
happiness
ताकि हम
continually.
अपनी स्थिति को बना
So
सकें।
those were
तो वो
the main points from Baba's
कुछ
Murali.
के पॉइंट्स थे बाबा की मुरली से।
I open it up to Arunaben and
तो
others now.
वरुण बहन और बाकी अभी
Yeah,
बताएं।
thank you so much,
बहुत
gentlemen.
बहुत धन्यवाद
So maybe,
जेंटलमैन।
let's stay with that point. I know you've already
तो
said a
हम उस
lot about it,
पॉइंट के साथ
but
रहें,
when Baba says,
परंतु जब
let
बाबा
there not
कहते
be
हैं
any touching even
कि
through your attitude,
कोई भी
there should be
टचिंग
no
ना रहे
touching even through your vision.
आपके
So is it that
व्यवहार
I'm
द्वारा, आपकी
literally
दृष्टि द्वारा,
thinking of somebody and thinking of touching them?
क्या
Or is
हम
it a metaphor that I
सोच रहे
just touch
हैं
them?
और उनको
Because this, gentlemen, there's this whole
उनको
thing of
छू रहे हैं,
also, we don't just fall in love with the body,
क्योंकि
we
हम
actually
विचारों से
then
प्यार
fall
नहीं
in love
करते,
with the quality
हम
of the
कई बार
soul,
विशेषताओं से भी
or
प्रेम
sometimes
करते हैं,
their intelligence. We fall in love with
उनकी
somebody being intelligent.
उनकी बुद्धिमत्ता से
So
भी
is
हमें
that
प्यार हो
also
जाता है।
touching?
तो क्या वो भी
Maybe you can
एक
unravel this
लगाव है?
and again, a great opportunity to make it very clear for all of us.
Two different aspects of the touching
तो
that Baba's talking about.
दो अलग अलग बातें हैं टचिंग में
One is
जो
the
बाबा
physical
बात कर रहे हैं।
touch,
तो
and
एक
Baba
है
knows that it can open the door to a lot of mischief.
एक
So
है जो
I
फिजिकल रूप
can't
से टच
dismiss it
होता
and
है।
say, oh, it was only a little bit
तो
of
मैं ऐसा नहीं
something,
कह
something.
सकती कि ओहो
But
ये
Baba
तो
knows that
बहुत थोड़ा
Maya
सा
is
था,
very sneaky, and so he
क्योंकि
can give a
माया,
little bit of a touch, and it's going to open the door for Maya to come in a big way. And then the other sort of touching, I think, is where I want to influence them,
तो
or
एक
I am
टचिंग होती
being
है।
influenced by them also. But my attitude, I want them to remember me. I want them to be attracted to me.
तो ऐसा होता
I
है कि
want
हम
them to
चाहते हैं कि
praise
दूसरा
me.
हमारे
So my
हमारी तरफ
attitude and
आकर्षण
my
हो,
vision,
हमारी विशेषता की
I'm behaving with them in
सराहना
such a
करे,
way.
और इस
I'm
तरीके से
asking
चलना
them for their approval, in
कि
a
मैं दूसरे
sense.
से मांग रही
And
हूँ
so,
वे पसंद
or
करें,
when I have been touched by a human being internally,
कि
not a
हम
physical
दूसरे
thing, but
देखते
they've
थे
laid such an impact on my mind
अ,
that it's like they're with me
छूते
and
हैं
I'm
उसको,
talking to them,
इतना
I'm
गहरा प्रभाव
thinking
पड़ा है
about
हमारे
them,
ऊपर।
I'm connecting with them. And of course, today we
मैं
have
उनसे
so
जुड़ती
many
हूँ,
devices
और
to be
आजकल
able
तो
to
खूब सारे
connect with
विकार हैं
anyone.
एक दूसरे से जुड़ने
Madhuban
के
had
लिए।
one telephone in
मधुबन
Isha office
में एक
all the way
टेलीफोन था
through
ईशा दादी
to,
के ऑफिस
I
में
think, the 80s.
80
And
के
it was
दशक
only
में।
much, much later that another telephone
तो दूसरा
appeared in the
टेलीफोन बहुत बहुत बाद में आया,
system where we have the sisters who handle the telephone exchange today. And now, of course, everybody carries 2, 3 phones
टेलीफोन
around in
एक्सचेंज
their
में। और
pockets.
अभी तो
So
एक ही
we
जेब में
come
दो तीन
very
पॉकेट
far
होते
from
हैं, दो
those
तीन
early
फोन
days
होते
in
हैं।
which everything was very basic and simple. And so the world has got complicated.
तो
Our
जो
lives
दुनिया
have
है,
got complicated.
हमारे जीवन जो
And the
है वो बहुत
devices that
उलझन में
we're
चले गए हैं।
surrounded by are very tempting.
और
And here's
जो
Baba saying,
प्रलोभन है माया के, वो
don't
बहुत आकर्षित
let there
करने
be
वाले हैं।
any touching,
और
either
बाबा
in the
कहते हैं
attitude or in the vision
कि
or
कोई
in
भी
your
प्रकार का
intellect.
छूना ना हो
Nothing. So the
हमारी
first
बुद्धि
part
में,
explained
हमारी
it very
दृष्टि में।
clearly.
तो पहला जो हिस्सा था वो बहुत
But
बाबा ने
now
स्पष्ट
the
किया।
subtle aspect that
और जो एक
am I going
सूक्ष्म
to
तरीका है
have somebody impact me,
कि
or am
कोई
I
मेरे
going
बच्चों पर
to
प्रभाव
want
डाले,
to impact them
कि
so that
मैं
I
औरों पर
build
प्रभाव डालूं
a
या और मेरे
close
पर प्रभाव
human
डालें,
relationship
ताकि एक
instead of
हमारा
focusing on that
नजदीकी
one eternal
आत्मिक संबंध
relationship?
बने,
So I think it means
अविनाशी
both
संबंध बने।
aspects.
तो
Clear?
Mhm.
दोनों
Yes,
बातों
yes,
को
thank
ले
you.
रहे हैं।
Um,
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
so the other aspect to this was Father Brahma will also side with
जो
Dharamraj.
दूसरा बात है, तो बाबा ने कहा कि
So
फादर जो पिताश्री
again, it's
ब्रह्मा है
clear,
वो भी
but
साथ
is
देंगे
there no
बाबा
margin
के।
for a little compassion for those who are making
जो
effort?
जो पुरुषार्थ कर
The
उनके लिए
effort
कोई
is
मार्जिन
today.
नहीं है। तो जो
Compassion is
पुरुषार्थ है वो
today.
आज है।
And so when Baba sees me making
तो
honest
बाबा
effort with courage,
मुझे देखते हैं
okay,
कि
so whatever
पुरुषार्थ
has
कर रहे हैं
happened,
हिम्मत के साथ।
but today I'm very determined
तो अगर मेरे
that
अंदर
my
बहुत हिम्मत है,
inner state
दृढ़ता
of
है
being has to be one of total purity,
कि
with
मेरा
no
आंतरिक स्थिति
distractions, no
पूरी
attractions
संपूर्ण
to
पवित्रता
anyone
की
or
होनी
anything.
चाहिए, जिसमें
And for
कोई
my own protection, what I want is to
मेरी
stay
अपनी
within
स्थिति
that
के लिए।
Brahman atmosphere. And Baba sees that, and Baba enables me to have that possibility. And having gone through this period when, in this last chapter, Baba's helping us so much and is still willing to
तो बाबा
forgive
हमें
and
इतना मदद
forget.
कर रहे हैं,
If I still fall into human traps or trap
अभी भी
another
मैं
human
फिर भी
being, then at that moment, I
मनुष्यों
was
के
fascinated by this
जंजाल में
expression.
फंसती
Father
हूँ।
Brahma will be there, because until now, I have always thought of Dharamraj in the form of Brahma Baba, because Shiv Baba incorporeal. But when we come
तो
in front,
धर्मराज जो है,
Dharamraj,
कि बाबा तो
what sort
निराकारी
of
है,
figure will he
पर
be?
ब्रह्मा
What sort of
बाबा
face will he have?
तो उनका कैसी
And in
शक्ल
my
होगी,
mind, I've
कैसा रूप
always
होगा।
thought that Dharamraj,
धर्मराज
the
जो
one
है,
who establishes the kingdom of righteousness, that for sure is Brahma Baba. And so Shiv
तो वो
Baba
ब्रह्मा बाबा
through
हैं।
Brahma Baba is
तो शिव बाबा
Dharamraj.
ब्रह्मा बाबा
And
के
so
द्वारा
yes, Brahma Baba is there,
धर्मराज हैं,
but now in a very different role. No more compassion or love or a little margin to push the boundaries
तो
here or
कोई
there.
मार्जिन नहीं है
That
अ,
time has
उन
gone.
सीमाओं को
Now
दूर
it's
करने
the
का वो समय
time
चला
for
गया है।
just simply
ये समय है
Dharamraj.
धर्मराज
It's like
के
those who
समय।
had the fortune of Sakar Baba's days.
तो जैसे
That was
भाग्य
their
था साकार
fortune.
बाबा के समय का,
Those who had the
वो
fortune
उनका
of
भाग्य था।
Avyakt Bapdada's days,
जिनके पास अव्यक्त बाप
we
दादा
had
के
that
दिनों
fortune.
का भाग्य था,
And then there
हमारे
were
पास वो
souls
था।
who were around,
और कुछ ऐसी
yet
आत्माएं हैं
didn't have enough understanding or maybe physical capacity to actually come close to Brahma Baba, either in Sakar or in Avyakt. Well, I'm talking about Brahmins who didn't make that effort,
तो मैं उन ब्राह्मणों की बात कर
not the
रही हूँ
ones who've come later from COVID times,
जो बाद में
but
पहले से
the
थे
ones
बाबा
who
के,
had the opportunity and they
कोविड
still
के
didn't
बाद
come
वाले नहीं।
closer. So Baba's saying in this Murli,
बाबा इस मुरली में
I
कह
am
रहे हैं
now being very official.
कि मैं बहुत ऑफिशियल
This
हूँ,
is an official statement
मैं
for all
बहुत
of you. Now
सख्त हूँ इस
listen,
मामले में सब
don't
पे।
let it be that it goes in one ear and out of the
तो ये
other.
नहीं कि एक कान से
It
सुन
really
दूसरे
has
कान
to
से
be
निकल गया।
absolutely clear.
तो सच में बिल्कुल साफ
So,
होना चाहिए।
Brahma Baba, the father, the teacher,
तो ब्रह्मा बाबा
is helping us now, but
हमें,
later
पिता जो हैं, टीचर जो
Brahma
हैं,
Baba will
मदद कर रहे
be
हैं।
the detached
ब्रह्मा
Dharamraj,
बाबा साक्षी होकर
and
के धर्मराज को
things will
साथ देंगे
happen, things will be
और चीजें
retold,
होंगी, चीजें
but Brahma
बताई
Baba,
जाएंगी।
the main instrument,
परंतु जो
will be
मुख्य
up above.
निमित्त हैं ब्रह्मा बाबा, वो ऊपर होंगे।
Somebody, yes, just if I could comment. So somebody had mentioned that, oh, he's only speaking to the Kumars and Kumaris
तो किसी ने कहा
because they
कि
are young,
बाबा
their
सिर्फ कुमार
hormones
कुमारियों
have
में,
upheaved. And I said, no, I don't think so.
कुमार और
So could you
कुमारियों से बात
underline
करेंगे
that it is,
तो
although he's
कैसे है,
speaking to
क्योंकि वो
them, but it
युवा
is for
हैं,
everyone?
And
बाबा
he
सिर्फ उनसे
even
बात कर रहे हैं।
categorically stated about the mothers. Baba even
एक्चुअली
brought
बाबा
in the
ने
subject of
माताओं
attachment being
को
sin.
भी
And so that
बीच में लिया
also
कि
is impurity.
मोह होता है।
And so then who is he excluding? Is he excluding just the brothers, the Pandavas? No, it was for everyone. In front of
सभी के
him
लिए
at
था।
that moment, the vision was focused on the Kumars and Kumaris because it seems a
कुमार और
lot have come that time. But
कुमारी उस समय बहुत सारे आए थे,
categorically, the mothers got a mention.
परंतु
And
माताओं
then
के
the
बारे में बाबा ने
brothers,
कहा
of course, it's the whole
और
family.
भाइयों के
Baba
बारे में भी
speaking to
कहा।
it, saying, now I am being very official with you.
बाबा ने कहा कि अभी मैं बहुत ऑफिशियल हो
Yes,
रहा हूँ
thanks,
आपके
gentlemen.
साथ।
And you know, I was, as you were speaking, I was remembering
जैसे आप बोल
my
रहे
early
थे,
days, and
मैं अपने शुरुआती दिनों को याद कर रही हूँ।
letters were being opened. I mean, you never opened any of our letters, but I remember when I was in New York and Mohini Ben had opened somebody's letter, and the girl had
Ben
got a bit annoyed, a bit, yeah, mad that somebody had opened her letter. And then Sister Mohini pointed out to her, well, what's wrong? What is there to hide? So I remember those days where, you know,
एक
even
बहन को
letters
थोड़ा
were
सा
opened,
हो
but
गया था
now
कि जब
messages,
पत्र
there's so
खोले
many
तो
messages
ऐसा उसने अलग से कहा कि मेरा क्यों
who's
लेटर
right,
खोला,
decrypted.
मोहिनी बहन ने। तो अभी तो बहुत
So
सारे
then when
मैसेज
the
आते
other
हैं।
main question that's come up by a
जयंती
few
बहन, जो
people,
एक और मुख्य
and that
प्रश्न आया
is
है
this
वो है
question of capacity.
हमारी
So Baba
क्षमता
said
का
some of you
प्रश्न।
are
बाबा ने
making
कहा
effort
कि
according to your capacity. So first question is, how does Baba
बाबा ने कहा
measure
कुछ एक पुरुषार्थ करते
our
हैं यथाशक्ति
capacity?
यथा योग्य। तो बाबा हमारी
Right,
शक्तियों को
translators,
कैसे
how does
बोलते हैं?
Baba measure our capacity? And secondly, what is the
दूसरा
difference
है
between
कि क्या
potential
फर्क है
and capacity, or is it the
कि
same?
हमारी क्षमता में और हमारी काबिलियत, हमारी अंदर की ताकत में।
Baba doesn't have to measure my
तो
capacity,
बाबा को
but
हमारी
I,
शक्ति या
according to my
क्षमता
capacity, let's take up the
जानने की
focus and
जरूरत नहीं है,
concentration bit, because this term is used in so many different contexts.
परंतु
But in
ये
this particular Murali, the context of focusing and
मुरली जो है
concentrating. And so Baba
फोकस
saying,
करने की एकाग्रता की।
however much you can focus
तो
according to
बाबा ने
your
कहा कितना
capacity,
आप
to that
एकाग्र
extent,
रह
you will
सकते हैं अपनी
see how
क्षमता
it's
के हिसाब से,
possible to be free from obstacles, to develop the angelic qualities,
उतना
etc.,
उतना हम विघ्नों से
etc.
पार रहेंगे,
So Baba is
परीक्षाओं
not
के रूप में
measuring
रहेंगे।
anything,
तो
but
बाबा
it's
कोई
me.
मापदंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, पर
What is
मैं
my
खुद
own
हूँ
capacity
कि मेरी
to be
खुद की
able to
क्षमता क्या है,
focus, to concentrate? But I can
ताकि
also
हम
increase my
बाबा
capacity.
पर
At
एकाग्र
this
कर
moment, the
सकें।
level of my capacity is
इस समय हमारी
equal,
जो
but
लेवल है,
maybe now that I'm becoming aware,
तो अभी जो मैं
I can increase the quality of my capacity
एकाग्र
to
हो रही हूँ, तो मैं
very
अपनी
high or very fast
एकाग्रता
speed,
की जो
fast
विशेषता है
accuracy.
उसको बढ़ा
And
सकती हूँ।
so I think that capacity refers to what I am capable of, my
तो
potential,
एकाग्रता होता है
and
कि
then
मैं किस चीज के
whatever I'm
लायक
doing
हूँ,
at this moment.
और जो भी
But
मैं
what
इस
Baba
घड़ी
is
कर रही
saying
हूँ।
is that I'm showing you how to attain the highest goal. And then there are some
तो
who are
बाबा ने कहा
making
मैं आपको
effort
बताऊंगा
on
कि
that
आप सबसे
level.
ऊंच लक्ष्य को कैसे
And for
प्राप्त कर
them,
सकते
it's
हो,
not so difficult because there's
और
only
उसके लिए वो
Baba
इतना
and they're
कठिन
focused
नहीं
on
है,
Baba. But
क्योंकि आप
if
कहें बाबा
I'm saying, well,
और
this
ध्यान आ
is
जाए
as
बाबा
much
पर।
as I can manage, Baba will say, okay, do
बाबा ने
as
कहा
much as you
ठीक
can,
है, आप
whatever it
कीजिए
is you
जितना भी
can.
आप कर सकते हैं।
Yeah.
So, I, the soul, am limiting myself according to my sanskars, my karma, all of
अपने
that, right?
संस्कार
I
अपने
mean,
कर्मों के
we
हिसाब
know
से
it's all in our
अपने
hands.
को
We know that.
सीमित करती हूँ।
So basically, what about souls who just can't
तो
do it?
क्या है उन आत्माओं के
Souls
लिए
who
जो ये
just
कर नहीं
can't make
सकते
that
हैं,
effort. So what their
जो
capacity
इस
is that limit? I mean, you can see it even in terms of physical work. Some people can do 10, 12 hours, and others after 6 hours are pooped. So what's that? It's just what's in the soul. But what I'm trying to say, gentlemen, is one can't push themselves any more than they are.
तो कोई भी व्यक्ति उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, उनकी
I
क्षमता
think
से ज्यादा।
there's a margin sometimes. I know I could do better if I tried,
मुझे पता है मैं कर
and yet
सकती हूँ
I'm
ज्यादा
not
अगर मैं
making
कोशिश
enough
करूँ तो।
effort to make it
और फिर भी
happen
मैं
in
इतना
that way. And so
मेहनत नहीं
then
करी
Baba
जितना
doesn't
मैं कर
want me to
सकती हूँ।
experience regret afterwards. But if I've really done my best, I couldn't
तो
have
अगर
done
सच में
any
मैंने
more than
अपना
I did.
अच्छा किया है,
Then,
उससे
of
ज्यादा मैं अच्छा
course,
नहीं
Baba
कर
will
सकती।
say, okay, child,
तो
that's
बाबा
fine.
कहेंगे ठीक
But
है।
if today I know
ठीक है।
myself, I could have done
तो
more,
बाबा कहे
but I
कि अगर
didn't. Now,
आप ये कहें कि
that's
मैं
going to
इससे
be a
ज्यादा नहीं
lot
कर
of
सकती,
regret on my part.
तो वो बहुत
And
ज्यादा
Baba
हमारे
doesn't
ऊपर।
want me to spend any time on feeling guilty in
तो बाबा ने कोई
because
ऐसा
I
समय नहीं
let
किया
an
कि हम
opportunity slip
हीनता
by.
में चले जाएं।
You know, it's cold outside, and you know that
और
if you
बाहर
wrap up
ठंड है,
well, you
तो
can
अगर आपको
still
अच्छा
go
नहीं
out
लग रहा
and do whatever it is you need to do, whether it's exercise or shopping or whatever. But it's cold outside, and I've got all
तो
the
अगर बाहर
garments
ठंड
that I
है,
need to keep me warm outside. But I'm feeling a bit lazy. Oh, who's going to bother? Oh, never mind if I don't exercise today, or even if I don't go out shopping today,
तो अगर हम
I
बाहर
can do
नहीं जा
that
पाते
tomorrow.
हैं खरीदारी
And
के
so
लिए,
the potential is there, the capacity is there for a very mundane thing, but I'm not making the effort to make it happen. And so this is what
और
Baba's seeing,
ये बाबा
that
देखते हैं कि हम
some have the possibility,
किसी के
but
अंदर
they're
वो
not
क्षमता
willing to
है।
make that effort to make it happen. And then afterwards they'll complain and say, oh, but I wasn't given the chance. And Baba's saying, not true. Everybody has an
बाबा कहते हैं कि
opportunity, everybody has a chance. Now let me take that
सबके पास
opportunity
क्षमता है।
and do what I need to do.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah, thank you so much. So maybe connected with this, we can take this question. Those who conquer the mind conquer the world. So I want to give an example. Once I remember I bought some of these hair bands and I said to you, gentlemen, would you like to use them? And you said no.
तो
And
मैं
I said,
कुछ
why not? And you said,
बालों के लिए
I
लेके
don't need
गई
it.
थी,
I don't want to be
तो मैंने
dependent
आपको
on it.
कहा कि आप
And
ये
you
यूज करेंगे,
actually,
तो
well,
आपने
maybe
कहा
you
था
do now,
नहीं।
but in those early
मैं
young
नहीं,
days, you didn't need any ribbon or band or anything.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए, तो आपने उन
So
दिनों
it's a very
कुछ भी
small
नहीं स्वीकार
example,
किया
but
था।
it's this
बहुत छोटा
aspect
सा
of
मिसाल है
when you conquered
कि
the mind, you've
जब
told the mind
मन को आपने
that
जीता
I
था
don't need this,
कि मुझे नहीं
then
चाहिए,
I have conquered the world. So do you
तो आप
have
मन को
any
जीतते
other
हैं।
stories like that for
तो आपके पास
yourself
कुछ
where
और
you've conquered the
कहानी
mind
है कि
and
आपने
therefore
अपने
you
मन को
feel you've
जीता
conquered the world?
और आपने
Well,
ऐसा
it's not so much
क्या
a
किया
question of
आपने?
conquering the world in that
दुनिया
way,
को
but
जीता।
um,
तो दुनिया
recently
को जीतने
somebody
की बात
asked
नहीं है।
me,
हाल ही
sent
में
me a
किसी
little
ने मुझसे
photograph
पूछा
and
था
said, tell me, do you want this color or
कि
that color? And do
कि
you
आपको
want this
ये
size or that size?
ये कलर
And I
चाहिए,
thought
ये रंग
about it
चाहिए, ये साइज
and I wrote
चाहिए।
back to them and I said,
तो मैंने उनको
I've
लिखा,
got good things here. I've got
मैंने
good
कहा
things in
मेरे
India.
पास बहुत
I
अच्छी
don't need
चीजें यहाँ
anything
हैं,
at the
मेरे
moment.
पास बहुत
And
अच्छी चीज
so
भारत में
I'm
है,
not
मुझे
going to
कुछ
be
नहीं चाहिए,
distracted because somebody's offering it to me.
क्योंकि
And I
वो
just
मेरे ऊपर,
decided that they
वो
were
मेरा
very
ध्यान
kind and I
भटकाएंगे।
explained to them, I've got enough, I've got enough.
मैं उनको
And they
समझा दूंगी
understood
मेरे
and it was
पास
fine.
बहुत कुछ
But
है,
it's so
और वो समझ
easy
गए।
not just to have the thought, I want, I want, I want, but
तो ये
there's
फिर
always going to be
संकल्प करना
somebody who
ये बहुत
offers you
आसान है,
something, even though you've said
परंतु
you don't
कोई
want,
हमें
but
कुछ
they'll
दे
offer
रहा
it
है,
to you.
परंतु
Either that
सामने वाला
comes
दे
like
रहा
a
है,
temptation.
और
Well,
वो एक
should I
माया के
take it
आकर्षण
or
के रूप
not
से
take it?
आएगी।
And so
कि
I
क्या हम
think with
लें क्या
little
नहीं लें।
things, if you can discipline your mind,
तो अगर आप अपने
it's
मन
going
को
to be
शांत कर
easier
सकते हैं
to be
तो बहुत
able
सहज हो
to
जाएगा।
focus and concentrate and achieve that stage that Baba's actually talking about.
तो वो स्थिति
If
जो
I
बाबा बात
say
कर
I
रहे
want to
हैं,
experience Paramdham,
तो अगर हम
and I
कहते
keep
हैं
my mind
कि
in
मुझे
that
परम धाम
awareness
में
of
जाना है और उस
being in
एकाग्रता
Paramdham,
में आप
not
रखते हैं
just
खुद
for a
को
minute or 2 minutes, a few minutes,
कुछ
but for
चंद
a
मिनटों के
period
लिए,
of
घड़ियों के
time.
लिए,
And how
हमारा
beautiful
खुद
that
के लिए
stage
समय है।
is when
और वो
my
कितनी सुंदर
mind is
स्थिति है
radiant
जब मेरा मन
and isn't wandering off here and there and
इधर उधर नहीं
pulling me
भटकता
away from what
और
is the most
आज्ञाकारी बन
important
करके
thing I'm
चलता
going
है।
to do today, which is to remember God, connect with God, and feel that purification. And so that stage
तो वो जो
truly
स्थिति है
is
सच में
conquest not only of my mind,
मेरे
but
मन
it's
को
also
जीतने के लिए
my
नहीं,
master.
परंतु हमें
Nothing
मन
can
का
bore
मालिक
me,
बनाती
nothing
है,
can distract me. There
जहाँ
is
कहीं भी
nothing
कोई भी हमें
wasteful,
आकर्षित नहीं कर
negative that can
सकता,
happen.
कोई व्यर्थ,
I'm
कोई
truly the master
नकारात्मक
of the
नहीं,
world.
जब हम सच में अपने मन के
Thank you,
इस दुनिया के
Janita.
मालिक बन सकते हैं।
Okay, here's another question. So on
एक
the one hand,
और
Baba
प्रश्न
says
आया है, एक
that
तरफ बाबा
you
कहते
move
हैं
away from angry
कि
people.
हम
That was during the week.
क्रोध
And then in other
क्रोधी व्यक्ति से दूर
of your
चले जाएं
murlis,
इस
Baba
सप्ताह में।
might say that you have to
और
send those
दूसरी मुरली
souls
में बाबा ने
prakash,
कहा
you have to
कि
have benevolent
उन
feelings.
आत्माओं के प्रति
So
प्रकाश
somebody's
दो।
question is, well, does
तो
Baba
किसी का
contradict
प्रश्न है
himself? And secondly, how do we protect ourselves
कि हम
from
अपने आप की
such
सुरक्षा
people?
कैसे
We need
करें
to
ऐसे
serve them,
व्यक्तियों
but
से।
then how do we protect ourselves?
Here I am,
हम
and
यहाँ
the
हैं
person in front of me
और जो
is
व्यक्ति
getting
हमारे सामने,
angry. Their temperature is rising.
उनका पारा
Am I
चढ़
going to
रहा है,
challenge them? And
तो क्या
Baba's
हम
saying
उनको
it's a waste of your time and energy.
एक चेतावनी की तरह
It's
लें?
like they're not going to listen to reason at this moment. They're not
बाबा ने
in
कहा
that state
हम
of
नहीं सुनेंगे अभी,
awareness where they're ready to listen. And so be silent.
तो
Let
शांत
that
रहें।
moment pass. Protect yourself, because just trying, then at some point you're going to lose patience and
वो आप थोड़े समय
jump
के
back
लिए
at them and retort something. And so at that moment,
और उस
really
घड़ी
just internally step away.
तो
And
अंदर
if
से ही
physically you
दूर
can,
हो जाए।
also physically step away. And then when I'm having good yoga with Baba,
और जब हमारे पास
then
अच्छा
if
योग है
they
बाबा
come
के
into
साथ,
my mind
तो
and
अगर
I
वो
send
आते
them
हमारे
Baba's
मन में,
light and Baba's good wishes,
तो अगर हम उन्हें
I'm
लाइट
able to do
बाबा की
both.
और शुभ भावनाएं
I haven't
भेजेंगे,
put into my head that they're an awful person, they're a nasty person, I'm not going to talk to them again. It's not that reaction, which is also anger inside of me, that's saying they're nasty, they're horrible, they shouldn't be like this, why are they like this? No, it's a very cool, detached way
तो
of
ये नहीं कि
thinking.
ये
There's no
बहुत ही
point
शांत
in
शीतल
carrying on with this
तरीका है सोचने
conversation.
का।
Okay, let's just end quietly.
ठीक है, अभी हमें
And
समाप्त
then
करना
at a
चाहिए
time when
मध्यम से।
it's quiet for me and I can
और
be
ऐसा
with
समय
Baba,
जब बिल्कुल शांत है
then I
एकदम,
can send them good wishes.
तब सच में हम
And
बाबा के
yes,
साथ रह सकते
sometimes
हैं
you'll
और उनको
see
शुभ
those
भावना
good
शुभकामना
wishes
दे
work
सकते हैं।
very quickly,
और कई बार ये
and they
शुभ
go
भावनाएं
out
बहुत
very
जल्दी काम
fast.
करती हैं
And within a short space of time,
और थोड़े ही समय में
you're connecting with them and
हम
everything is fine, as if nothing has
से
happened.
जुड़ते हैं और सब कुछ
But of
ठीक हो जाता
course,
है जैसे
on the
कुछ हुआ ही
human
नहीं
level,
है।
then I'll say, but you realize what you were doing.
परंतु
And
हम
again,
समझ
it's
लेते हैं कि हम
my
क्या कर रहे
anger
हैं,
that's revealing itself instead of my stage of stability and calm, in which they must have realized something. This is why they've approached me now.
तो
Well,
इसीलिए हम
okay,
हमें
past is
अप्रोच करते
past.
हैं
Let's
कि जो
move on.
पास्ट हो गया वो पास्ट है,
So,
आगे बढ़े।
so often you see
तो
our
इसलिए
reactions are not as Baba wants them to be.
हमारी जो
But they're being
प्रतिक्रिया है,
dictated by my sanskars and my nature. And then
हमारे
I say,
संस्कार
why
और
is Baba saying this?
संस्कार के आधार से
No.
होती है।
What is Baba saying? Baba's saying, stay cool. Baba's not saying have
बाबा
angry
कहते हैं
thoughts
शांत
about them
रहें,
or have
उनके प्रति
bad
क्रोधी
feelings for them.
संकल्प ना रचाएं
Say
रचें।
Om Shanti, truly Om Shanti. And
ओम
then
शांति
send them
सच
those
सच्चे
good
रूप में,
wishes and it'll work.
और उनको शुभ भावना
Thank you,
शुभकामना दें और वो
Janita.
काम करता है।
Just a few questions, so maybe quick responses. So on the one hand,
एक तरफ
Baba says that, well, Baba
बाबा
said in the
कहा
morning that he was loving, Brahma Baba was loving and detached. So we
कि
know
ब्रह्मा
that Brahma
बाबा
Baba was loving.
स्नेही
How
भी
was
थे,
he detached?
न्यारे भी थे और प्यारे भी थे।
When Mama left the body,
तो जब
Baba
मम्मा ने
just
शरीर
simply
छोड़ा,
told them all, come, let's sit down and do yoga. And yes, Baba was very clever. Baba said, maybe
बाबा
Baba will
बहुत
send the
चतुर थे।
soul back because of our love. But Baba was demonstrating detachment,
तो
that
बाबा सीधा
we can sit
प्यारेपन
and
पर बात
just
कर रहे
simply have
थे।
yoga.
तो हम
No
जस्ट
need to do
बैठ सकते
anything
हैं और
else.
योग लगा सकते हैं।
And of course, that stage of yoga of
तो
Baba helped
स्थिति है
everybody
योग
else
की।
come to a very powerful stage. Then by the morning, we were ready for the next
बहुत
step, the
शक्तिशाली स्थिति बन
cremation and
जाती है।
everything. Within the Indian system, if Baba had said, well,
भारतीय
it's still only 4
सभ्यता
o'clock in
में
the
भी
evening, we can have the cremation now. And in those days, how big was the population of the village of Abu? Definitely they
तो
could
उस
have done
समय
the
कितना
cremation
बड़ा
immediately.
आबू
Baba didn't do
है,
that.
कितने सभी लोग थे उस समय, तो
Detached,
बहुत बड़ा अंतिम
yet
संस्कार हो सकता था।
compassionate
तो बाबा
in
बहुत
terms
प्यारे
of the
थे
feelings of the children.
और
And
बहुत ही
so
प्यारे
let's
भी थे
just sit and
भावनाओं
have
को लेकर
yoga.
के बच्चों की।
When Vishwakishore left the
विश्व
body,
किशोर
Dada,
में दादा ने जब
while he was
शरीर छोड़ा,
alive, Baba sat up till midnight, 1 o'clock,
बाबा
2 o'clock,
रात को
sending
1-2 बजे तक
Sakash
बैठे,
to
उनको
help the
प्रकाश
soul.
दिया
And
ताकि
once the
उनको
soul
मदद
had
मिले।
gone, Sheelendra Dadi phones Baba and says,
जैसे ही
Baba, should we bring the body to
बाबा ने,
Abu for the
जैसे ही
cremation,
दादा ने
or would
शरीर
you
छोड़ा,
come to Bombay for the
तो
cremation? Baba
बाबा
said,
ने उनको,
no, the soul has gone.
शीलेंद्रा दादी ने
You
बाबा को
just
कॉल
deal
किया
with
कि आत्मा तो
things
उड़ गई।
there locally in the
तो
way
बाबा ने
that you
कहा
need to.
कि
Baba's not coming,
बाबा आ
and I
नहीं रहे
think you
हैं,
need to bring the body back here.
तो और
And
आपको
then
इतनी
later,
यहाँ
when
शरीर लाने की
Sheelendra
जरूरत
Dadi
नहीं
had
है।
come to Abu, and she was showing Baba photographs of the funeral, again, Baba's answer, the soul has gone. I don't need to see those photos. Baba did not look at those photos. And so the deep love and compassion was demonstrated, but yet no attachment.
Thank you, lovely. A question from the chat box. Could Sister Jayanti expand on what Baba said in the Murli on 13th? That accurate remembrance requires patience, maturity, and understanding.
तो बाबा ने कहा बहुत ही समझ
If I
से,
have the sanskar of
अगर हमारे अंदर
impatience,
संस्कार हैं पेशेंस के,
my mind is jumping, it's racing. It's going to be difficult to have calm, steady, stable connection
तो
with
बहुत
Baba.
शांत
And
स्थिर
so I
connection
need
होना
to
है
have
बाबा के साथ।
patience,
तो बहुत ही
develop that quality, recognizing its value of
धैर्यता,
non-reaction, but also patience with myself. If I
सबसे
think
पहले
I can
धैर्यता
have
अपने साथ,
Karmatit in a year,
गंभीरता।
then I'm not being very patient or compassionate with myself, because I can't be Karmatit in a year. That's not a reality. And so can I have patience with myself
अपने साथ
so that
धैर्यता,
I can go into the depth of soul consciousness, the
ताकि हम
depth of yoga,
आत्माभिमानी स्थिति
very
की
calm,
गहराई में जाएं, योग
not
की गहराई में
trying to
जाएं।
push myself against fast rules that are really not a reality and can't be possibly maintained. So that's the patience. And then maturity. Baba uses this word gambhirta, and we've always had trouble
गंभीरता का भी इस्तेमाल किया,
translating it because it covers so many aspects.
धैर्यता,
So maturity
गंभीरता
it's even in English language.
अंग्रेजी में भी।
Here's a piece of cheese that's mature, but here's a person who's mature.
एक
And
व्यक्ति
so
है, एक
it's a little bit of age, it's a little
पनीर
bit
है,
of
कहते हैं वो mature हो गए,
experience,
एक
it's the
व्यक्ति है,
accumulation
वो
of the
अपनी
learnings
आयु के
of
साथ,
life.
अपनी समझ,
And so,
उनके अनुभव है उनके साथ
yes,
मेच्योर होता है।
yoga is going to take time.
तो योग में
Soul
टाइम लगता है।
consciousness is not so easy.
आत्माभिमानी
I
की
need
स्थिति
to give
इतनी
it a lot of
आसान नहीं है,
attention.
बहुत
Then I can truly say
ध्यान
that I'm
चाहिए,
soul conscious.
एकाग्रता चाहिए, तब हम
So
कह
I
सकते
need
हैं
to
हम
have
सच में
that
आत्माभिमानी स्थिति
maturity
में
and
हैं।
being able to
तो इतनी
have
गंभीरता होनी
patience and
चाहिए,
go slowly into the
इतनी
depths of
धैर्यता
what
होनी
is yoga
चाहिए,
and how to
फिर भी इतनी
cultivate
गहराइयों में
that
जाए
inner stage of calm
और कैसे
in
फिर
which
अपने
I
अंदर
can
की
feel Baba being close to me.
स्थिरता को हम
And then the
ये और
third,
बाबा
the
हमारे पास है।
understanding.
और फिर है समझ,
Drama, something's happened.
अगर कुछ हो
My mind
ड्रामा,
is jumping here and
अगर
there.
मेरा मन इधर से उधर जा रहा है,
I understand soul.
तो
I
हम
understand
आत्मा
God.
को समझे,
I
परमात्मा को
understand drama.
समझे, और
concept
ड्रामा को
able to
समझें,
stay connected with Baba. Where I don't understand drama or I react with drama, my yoga gets shaken. That's the reality of everybody's experience, I'm sure. Then you can be sitting in front of Baba, but yet your mind isn't stable. Your mind is being pulled again and again to the situation. And so understand drama, sweet drama, and then sit in yoga, and there won't be any disturbance.
Thank you, gentlemen. So I just wanted to share a quick story, another story of Brahma Baba. And this is by Vidya Didi. And she said that once Baba held my hand and took me with him to the rooms where the children were sleeping. And there Baba taught me that, child, see, there are 3 stages of sleep.
तो
There is
बाबा ने कहा
Sattva-guni,
बच्चे 3 तरीके होते हैं
Rajoguni,
सोने के,
and
सतोगुनी,
Tamoguni sleep.
रजोगुनी और तमोगुणी नींद।
Then Baba asked her, now
तो
tell me,
बाबा ने
in which
कहा
stage are they sleeping? And she
कि
said,
आप
how
कौन
can I
सी
know,
स्थिति
Baba?
में सो रहे हैं।
So Baba said, if someone is seen calm, innocent,
तो
and
अगर
has a spiritual attraction on the face, then that child is in a Sattva-guni state.
तो अगर
Sattva-guni
बहुत
sleep.
ही शांति से कोई सो
Yog
रहा है
Nindra,
तो वो
right? Sleep yoga.
बच्चा
And if
सतोगुणी
someone is
स्थिति में है।
snoring
तो अगर कोई खराटे
and
मार रहा है
bending their legs here and there, then they have a Rajoguni
तो
sleep.
रजोगुणी उनकी नींद
And
है।
if someone
और
is
अगर
swimming like a fish in their sleep, then
कोई
that is Tamoguni sleep.
तैर रहा है अपने बेड में तो वो तमोगुणी
So,
स्थिति है।
any comments on that, Sister Jayanti?
उसमें कोई टिप्पणी
It's true,
करेंगे?
isn't it? Sometimes when you wake up and
तो सच
the
में
bed
कभी कभी आप
is
उठते
all over
हैं
the place
और
and
बेड
it's
जो
like you've
है
been fighting
चारों
in your
तरफ होता
sleep.
है।
So that wasn't a very nice, comfortable
तो
Satoguni
एक
sleep,
बहुत अच्छी
definitely.
कोई साफ
And so
सतोगुनी
you can judge
नींद
for
नहीं होती।
yourself also
तो आप
just
खुद
by
को
the
भी देख
state of
सकते
your
हैं
bed after you've woken up.
कि अपनी बेड की
Is the
स्थिति
bed
देखें।
sheet still okay? Is the pillow still in the same place? So you can feel it,
क्या
but
बेडशीट
also
ठीक
the
है, पिल्लो
external
जगह पे
situation will
है,
tell you what it
बाहर
is.
की स्थितियां बताएंगी कि क्या है।
And so I want to announce, thank you, Sister Jayanti. I want to announce to everyone
आज
that we have
बहन
one more lovely session with Sister Jayanti.
तो एक
That's
और
next week,
हमारा
Wednesday,
अगले सप्ताह में
22nd.
21
And then after that, Sister Jayanti really will go off to Bali. And I want to say that
जनवरी को
we
एक
are
और
at GRC here.
रहेगा
And if
सेशन।
anyone would
हम
like to make some BK blessings, we have locket
GRC
blessings,
में
but if anyone would like to
अगर
make
कोई
BK
बनाना
blessings
चाहता है बीके
and send
ब्लेसिंग
those to us, we'd be very grateful. We'll need them for this year. We're
तो
running out
बना
actually.
सकते हैं, तो वो जरूर
So
से हमें
get in
भेजें
touch with me
बीके
or
ब्लेसिंग्स।
anyone else you're connected with here. And
तो
yeah, we'll get
हमसे
them.
जरूर मिले।
So thank you, and let's have some powerful drishti. And
तो बहुत
Jayanti Ben
पावरफुल
has already
दृष्टि में
shared a
हम
lot
बैठेंगे।
about our preparation for the
तो
18th.
जयंती
So
बहन ने
wishing
ऑलरेडी
everyone a very beautiful,
18 जनवरी
quiet,
के लिए काफी कुछ शेयर किया।
meditative 18th with Baba. Om
हम
Shanti.
एक बहुत ही शांत बाबा के साथ योग की अनुभूति करेंगे। ओम शांति। और एक
On the path of devotion we sing your name. Through lifetimes of yearning, it's always the same. You are the one, the light we seek, the source of truth, eternal and meek. Oh, the land of peace and happiness, where the soul finds rest, eternal bliss. Through cycles of time we've waited for you to guide us home to the pure and true. You bring the dawn of the deity reign, restoring the world, freeing from pain. sold